Hey there, welcome. Let's practice Cobra pose today using the traffic light method from my new book, Yoga for One. In seated Cobra, we begin just as we do in seated camel by taking our hands behind us to hold on to the chair for support. Or we can try a standing variation. We'll start with a chest expansion by engaging the muscles of the mid-upper back, simply pulling the shoulder blades together like you were holding a pencil. We're trying to keep the shoulder blades down as we do so. We might even rotate the shoulders as you see here, or maybe float the arms behind us in shoulder extension. We can then add back extension by not compressing the neck or the low back, but opening from the thoracic spine where the ribs are. This gives us the freedom of Cobra without going to the mat. But in the yellow zone, that's exactly where we start, lifting the upper back without pushing into the arms. This is all internally and core supported. Notice we can float the arms above the mat and barely touch the floor. To come out of the posture, let's be sure to balance spinal extension with spinal flexion. In our green zone, we can come in with a zesty plank or chaturanga and hover above the mat before coming to it. We're lifting from the core as we did in the yellow zone with a very light or no touch in the arms. We're not pushing into an up dog or cobra, but notice we are lifting only from the internal core. When we're done, we'll come back to the mat, take our elbows to the mat, perhaps try a Sphinx posture, which is very similar, and then bring ourselves backward into a child's pose or cat to give ourselves a relaxing flexion of the spine. This enables us to release the muscles that engaged in back extension. And there you have it, Cobra posture from the traffic light method in my new book, Yoga for One. I'm Dr. Suzie Carmack, and I'm very grateful that you're here to join me for this entire series, which is dedicated to helping you and your clients to practice well on and off the mat. Namaste.